Have you ever wondered what your dog really thinks about you? Are you their best friend, their parent, or just the one who fills their food bowl? Science has the answers. Today, we're breaking down what research says about how dogs see us. Some of these findings might surprise you. Stick around to find out if your dog actually loves you, or if they're just in it for the treats. Subscribe to Positive TV and let's dive in. Chapter 1. How dogs see their owners. 1. Dogs recognize you as family. Studies show dogs see their owners as part of their pack. They rely on humans for safety, comfort, and companionship, just like they would with their canine family. Dogs form strong social bonds. In the wild, they depend on their pack for survival. Domesticated dogs transfer that instinct to their human family. They follow their owners, stay close, and seek attention because they see them as trusted members of their social group. This connection goes beyond simple loyalty. Research shows that when dogs interact with their owners, their brains release oxytocin, the same hormone linked to bonding in humans. This chemical response strengthens the bond, making dogs feel safe and loved. 2. Dogs see you as their parent. MRI scans reveal that a dog's bond with its human is similar to how a child bonds with a parent. They look to you for love and protection. Studies show that dogs react to their owners in the same way infants respond to their parents. They seek guidance, comfort, and reassurance, especially in unfamiliar situations. This is called the secure base effect, a behavior commonly seen in children. Dogs show this attachment through physical closeness, excited greetings, and seeking comfort when scared. They don't just see their owners as leaders, but as caregivers who provide love and stability. This bond explains why dogs experience separation anxiety when their owners leave. They feel the absence of their trusted protector. 3. Dogs trust you more than other dogs. Research shows dogs seek help and reassurance from humans rather than other dogs. This proves the deep trust they place in us. Unlike their wolf ancestors, domesticated dogs have evolved to rely more on humans than on other animals. In experiments where dogs face challenges, they look to their owners for help rather than trying to solve problems on their own or seeking aid from other dogs. This trust is built through positive interactions. Dogs remember kindness, consistency, and care. When owners provide food, shelter, and affection, dogs develop deep emotional connections. This explains why many dogs prefer to be around their humans, even when other dogs are present. 4. Dogs can sense your emotions. Dogs read facial expressions and tone of voice to understand how you're feeling. They may even adjust their behavior to match your mood. Dogs are highly sensitive to human emotions. They observe subtle changes in body language, listen to vocal cues, and even detect stress-related scents. If you feel happy, your dog may wag its tail and act playful. If you seem sad, your dog might cuddle closer or rest its head on your lap. Research shows that dogs experience emotional contagion, meaning they can catch your emotions. If you're anxious or tense, your dog may also show signs of stress. This strong emotional bond explains why dogs often provide comfort without being asked. 5. Dogs can tell when you're in pain. Studies show dogs react to their owner's distress and may try to comfort them when they're hurt or sick. Dogs have an instinct to respond to discomfort. When they see their owner in pain, they may lick, nuzzle, or stay close to provide comfort. Some dogs even become more protective, standing guard over their owners during illness or injury. Studies confirm that dogs recognize human distress. They react to crying or signs of discomfort faster than neutral sounds or actions. This ability makes dogs excellent emotional support animals, as they offer comfort without needing words. 6. Dogs know their owner's scent. A dog's sense of smell is powerful. They recognize their owner's scent instantly and associate it with safety and love. A dog's nose is millions of times more sensitive than a human's. They can detect their owner's scent even from a great distance. This strong sense of smell helps dogs feel connected to their owners, even when they are apart. Studies show that a dog's brain responds positively when they smell their owner's scent. It triggers feelings of happiness and security. This is why dogs often cuddle with their owner's clothing or bedding. It reminds them of the person they love. 7. Dogs can recognize your face. Dogs use visual cues to recognize people. They can remember faces and even react differently based on past interactions. Dogs rely on sight, along with smell and sound, to identify people. They can remember a familiar face and associate it with past experiences. If someone has treated them well, they will show excitement. If they had a negative experience, they may act cautious or avoid that person. Studies using brain scans show that dogs process human faces in a way similar to humans. They recognize expressions and can even distinguish between a happy or angry face. This ability helps them navigate social interactions and strengthen their bond with their owner. Chapter 2. What dogs think about your behavior. 8. Dogs know when you're watching. Studies suggest dogs change their actions when they know they have an audience. They're smarter than we think. Dogs are aware of when humans are watching them. Research shows that dogs are more likely to follow rules when they know someone is paying attention. If they want to sneak food or break a rule, they often wait until their owner looks away. Experiments confirm that dogs adjust their actions based on eye contact. They hesitate to take food if a person is watching, but they act quickly when no one is looking. This shows they understand cause and effect, proving they are more observant than many people realize. 9. Dogs understand fairness and can get jealous. Experiments show dogs get frustrated if another dog gets more rewards for the same task. They know when something isn't fair. Dogs notice when they are treated unfairly. In studies, dogs that received fewer treats than another dog for the same action showed signs of frustration. Some even refused to continue the task after realizing the imbalance. Dogs may also show jealousy when their owner gives attention to another pet or person. They might push between their owner and another dog, whine, or demand attention. This response suggests dogs have a sense of social fairness and emotional attachment to their owners. 10. Dogs notice when you ignore them. Dogs can tell when you're paying attention and may react by seeking more affection or even acting out. Dogs are experts at reading human attention. If they feel ignored, they may nudge you, bark, or bring a toy to get your focus. Some dogs even perform tricks or stare at their owners until they get a response. Studies show that dogs behave differently when they know their owner is distracted. They may become restless, seek comfort, or engage in mischief to regain attention. This explains why some dogs act out when their owner spends too much time on a phone or computer. 11. Dogs appreciate routine and consistency. Dogs thrive on predictability. They feel more secure when their owner follows a regular schedule. Dogs rely on routines to feel safe. A consistent schedule for feeding, walks, and playtime helps them know what to expect. Sudden changes can cause stress, leading to restlessness or anxiety. Many dogs develop habits based on their owner's routine. They might wait by the door before a walk or head to their bed at the same time each night. Keeping a stable routine helps reinforce good behavior and strengthens their bond with their owner. 12. Dogs can hold grudges, temporarily. While dogs don't hold grudges like humans, they can remember negative experiences and may temporarily avoid someone who upset them. Dogs react to negative experiences, but they don't stay mad for long. If they experience something unpleasant, like a scolding or an accidental step on the paw, they may avoid the person for a short time. However, dogs are quick to forgive, especially when their owner shows kindness. A calm voice, a treat, or a fun activity can help rebuild trust. Unlike humans, dogs don't dwell on past mistakes, but they do remember repeated patterns of behavior. 13. Dogs can learn human words. Studies show some dogs can learn over 100 words. They recognize frequently used words and associate them with actions or objects. Dogs listen closely to their owners and associate certain words with specific outcomes. Words like walk, treat, or outside often trigger excitement because dogs know what comes next. Some highly trained dogs can recognize hundreds of words. They learn by repetition and reinforcement, similar to how children develop language skills. Using consistent words for commands and activities helps dogs understand instructions more clearly. 14. Dogs can imitate your behavior. Dogs observe and mimic their owner's actions, which is why they sometimes copy things you do, like stretching or yawning. Dogs are natural observers. They watch their owners closely and sometimes mirror behaviors like yawning, stretching, or tilting their head in response to a gesture. This imitation strengthens their social bond. Research suggests dogs imitate their owners out of connection rather than instinct. If a dog sees its owner relax, it may also relax. This ability to copy human behavior is one reason why dogs are so in tune with their owners' emotions and habits. Chapter 3. How dogs show their feelings about you. 15. Dogs release oxytocin when they look at you. The same hormone that creates bonds between humans also increases in dogs when they make eye contact with their owner. Oxytocin, often called the love hormone, strengthens emotional connections. Studies show that when a dog looks into its owner's eyes, oxytocin levels rise in both the dog and the human. This response is similar to how parents bond with their children. A loving gaze from a dog is a sign of deep trust and affection. Prolonged eye contact helps strengthen the bond, making dogs feel safe and loved. However, some dogs may be uncomfortable with direct staring, so it's important to respect their comfort level. 16. Dogs follow you because they trust you. If your dog follows you everywhere, it means they see you as their protector and feel safest by your side. Dogs are pack animals. In the wild, they stick close to their leaders for safety and guidance. A dog that follows its owner from room to room is showing trust and dependence. Some dogs follow their owners more than others. This behavior can be stronger in puppies, rescue dogs, or breeds that form close bonds. While following is a sign of trust, it's important to teach dogs independence so they feel comfortable being alone when needed. 17. Dogs get excited when you return. Brain scans show that dogs react to their owner's return in a way similar to how humans feel when reunited with loved ones. Dogs don't just recognize their owner, they genuinely miss them. Studies show that a dog's brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, when they see their owner again. This explains the joyful jumping, tail wagging, and excited barking when you walk through the door. Even if you've been gone for a short time, your dog will likely greet you with enthusiasm. This reaction shows the strong emotional bond they have with you. Regular positive interactions like playtime and affection strengthen this connection even more. 18. Dogs may dream about you. Scientists believe dogs dream just like humans. Research shows that during REM sleep, a dog's brain activity closely resembles that of a sleeping human. This suggests that dogs experience dreams related to their daily activities, just as we do. If your dog twitches, wags its tail, or makes soft noises while sleeping, it might be replaying moments from the day, like playing, eating, or spending time with you. Experts suggest that because dogs form strong emotional bonds with their owners, they likely dream about them. Your dog may dream of going on walks with you, getting belly rubs, or simply feeling safe in your presence. This strengthens the idea that dogs don't just see humans as caregivers, but as an important part of their lives. 19. Dogs show affection by leaning on you. When a dog leans against you, it is more than just a casual gesture, it's a sign of trust and attachment. Dogs use body contact to feel safe and connected. If your dog presses against your legs, rests their head on your lap, or leans into your side, it shows that they find comfort in your presence. This is common when they are feeling relaxed, seeking warmth, or simply enjoying being close to you. Leaning can also be a way for dogs to seek reassurance. If a dog is unsure or nervous, they may press against their owner for support, much like a child holding onto a parent. By responding with gentle petting or calming words, you reinforce their trust and strengthen your bond. 20. Dogs smile at you. Dogs don't smile exactly like humans, but they do have a way of showing happiness through facial expressions. A relaxed, open-mouthed look with a slightly upturned mouth is often a sign that a dog is comfortable and content. Their eyes may also appear soft, and their body language will be loose and easygoing. This smiling expression is usually accompanied by a wagging tail and an overall joyful demeanor. Dogs tend to display this happy expression when they are engaged in enjoyable activities, such as playing, getting attention, or spending time with their favorite humans. Some breeds naturally have facial structures that make them appear as if they're always smiling, but in most cases, A genuine dog smile comes with relaxed behavior and positive energy. 21. Dogs bring you their favorite toy. When your dog brings you a toy, it's more than just a playful gesture, it's a sign of affection and trust. Dogs often share their favorite objects with those they love, which can be their way of including you in their happiness. If your dog happily drops a toy at your feet or nudges it toward you, it means they want to engage with you and make you part of their fun. Bringing a toy can also be an offering. In the wild, dogs share food or objects with pack members to strengthen social bonds. By presenting you with their prized toy, your dog is showing that they value you and consider you part of their family. Responding with play or praise reinforces their happiness and strengthens your relationship. Science confirms that dogs truly love their humans. They see you as family, a protector, and a source of happiness. Did any of these facts surprise you? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing dog insights.